I got steak. Wait, why are their bodies here? Maybe it's from the meat. Never mind, I don't have any flesh inside of me. So never mind, I'll just eat it. Nom nom nom. Hey, isn't that the machine I tried before? Wow, there's so many meat in here. I would rather survive for the night with this. Wow! Wow, I did a backflip. But it looks like it's not open. Yeah. Why am I game freeze, guys? Oh, never mind. But, huh? Why is it not unfreezing? Guys, wait, I'll be back, okay? Wait. Hopefully my other save will be here. Sorry guys, I don't know why my game paused. Oh no, yeah, but why is wow. Let's add this meat in here. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Who are you? Get smashed. Oh no. I don't take this part of it, but it takes cook already. Nom nom nom. Yes. Nom 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 nom. Bye.